Welcome back to our channel. We've got a list of the 5 best food processors on Amazon in 2023 for you today, so stay tuned. This video will help you if you're looking to improve the effectiveness and enjoyment of your cooking activities. Before we explore these culinary wonders, make sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest discoveries. Let's get started. Number 1. Introducing the KitchenAid 13-cup food processor. This all-in-one kitchen powerhouse is a game-changer for any culinary enthusiast. First things first, I've got to talk about the in-bowl storage caddy. It's an absolute lifesaver. No more rummaging through drawers for blades and discs. Everything has a dedicated spot right in the bowl. And speaking of blades, the externally adjustable exact slice disc is a breeze to use. From thick to thin, you've got full control over your slicing thickness. Clean up, it's a breeze too. The snap-and-go work bowl assembly is twist-free and snaps together with a satisfying click. Plus, the leak-resistant bowl can be easily cleaned with a bit of warm water and dish soap. The 3-in-1 feed tube is perfect for processing all sorts of ingredients, from tomatoes to cucumbers, and even potatoes. And when it comes to tasks, this machine is a multitasking champ. It can chop, shred, precision slice, knead, and mix whether you're working with veggies, cheese, dough, or whipping up some tasty sauces and salsas. And don't even get me started on the capacity of generous 13 cups. Whether it's a casual Taco Tuesday or a full-blown pizza party on a Friday night, this food processor has got you covered. In the box, you'll find the food processor itself, a 13-cup work bowl, a multi-purpose blade, an adjustable slicing disc, a reversible shredding disc, a dough blade, and a handy storage caddy. So, if you want to take your kitchen game to the next level, the KitchenAid 13-cup food processor is a must-have. Trust me, it's a total game changer. Number 2. Introducing the Cuisinart Food Processor 14-Cup Vegetable Chopper. This kitchen workhorse is an absolute game-changer with its powerful 720-watt motor, making it a versatile companion for all your culinary adventures. Whether you're whipping up creamy hummus, zesty salsa, or hearty soups, this food processor handles it all with ease. One of the standout features I adore is the straightforward on and off pulse buttons. They make operation a breeze, and the Lexan bowl provides a clear view of your ingredients in action. The extra-large feed tube, along with both small and large pusher bowl sleeves, gives you flexibility when processing various ingredients. Cleanup is a snap thanks to the detachable disc stem, and with a 36-inch cord, you've got some room to maneuver in the kitchen. What's in the box, you ask? Well, it's loaded with essentials: a stainless steel standard slicing disc, 4mm, a medium shredding disc, and a stainless steel chopping mixing blade. Plus, they've thrown in a spatula, an instruction manual, and a recipe booklet. The best part, all the parts are dishwasher safe, making your post-cooking cleanup a breeze. One thing to note, the shredding and slicing blades are not adjustable, so be sure to check the manual for setup instructions. And the cherry on top, Cuisinart backs this beast with a full 5-year warranty on the motor, along with a limited 3-year warranty. Plus, it's BPA-free. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile food processor, the Cuisinart 14-cup vegetable chopper is the kitchen companion you've been waiting for. Happy cooking! Number 3. I'm excited to talk about the Hamilton Beach food processor. Let me tell you, if you're looking to spend less time in the kitchen, this kitchen gadget is a game changer. It effortlessly handles tasks like shredding cheese, slicing veggies, and whipping up delightful pestos and dips. With an ample 8-cup capacity, it's big enough to tackle most kitchen jobs, yet compact enough to stow away with ease. One feature that stands out is the large feed chute. It can even accommodate an entire block of cheese, making food prep quicker and more efficient. This Hamilton Beach gem is a true multitasker, serving as a food processor, food chopper, and vegetable chopper. The reversible disc is perfect for slicing and shredding, while the stainless steel S blade takes care of chopping, mixing, and pureeing. With 2 speeds, pulse control, and a powerful 450-watt motor, you have the precision you need for a wide range of recipes. Cleanup is a breeze since the blades, bowl, and lid are all dishwasher safe. Plus, the parts in contact with your food are BPA-free, ensuring your meals are not only convenient, but safe too. In my kitchen, this Hamilton Beach food processor has become an indispensable tool, saving me time and effort on meal preparation, while delivering top-notch performance. If you're on the hunt for a reliable and versatile kitchen companion, look no further. Number 4. Introducing the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus Food Processor. When it comes to kitchen appliances, this one takes the cake. With a jaw-dropping 1000 peak watt motor, it breezes through the toughest ingredients with ease, making it perfect for all your food processing needs. What sets this Ninja apart is its professional performance. Dedicated blades and discs ensure restaurant-worthy results, allowing you to precisely chop, consistently slice, and evenly mix, all in one handy appliance. And the convenience doesn't stop there. It boasts 4 versatile functions, with 4 autoic intelligent preset programs and 3 speeds, from low to high, plus pulse. You can chop veggies, shred cheese, and even whip up smooth sauces or quick pizza and cookie dough, all at the touch of a button. With a generous 9-cup processing bowl, you can tackle small batches or create feasts for large gatherings. It's not just a food processor, it's a dough mixing powerhouse. The torque is impressive, making up to 2 pounds of dough in as little as 30 seconds. Plus, cleaning is a breeze. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. This Ninja BN601 comes with everything you need, including a 1000 peak watt motor base precision processor bowl, quad chopping blade, dough blade, slicing and shredding disc, and even a 20 recipe inspiration guide. If you're serious about your kitchen game, this is a must-have. Number 5. I've got something truly innovative to share with you today: the Vitamix 12-cup food processor attachment. What's fantastic about this is that it eliminates the need for storing yet another standalone appliance, making your kitchen more efficient and clutter-free. With a 12-cup dry and 9-cup wet capacity, it's got plenty of room for all your food processing needs. The clear bowl, lid, and food pushers make it easy to keep an eye on your ingredients while they're being processed. Assembly and disassembly are a breeze, and the intuitive storage solution minimizes the number of parts you need to deal with. This attachment includes a 12-cup work bowl lid, 2 food pushers, 1 large, 1 small, an multi-purpose blade, and 2 reversible slice shred discs that come in a handy disc storage case. However, please note that the motor base is not included, so you'll need a compatible Vitamix motor base. Speaking of compatibility, this food processor attachment is designed to work seamlessly with Ascent and Venturist motor bases, purchased in the US and Canada. It's not compatible with Explorian or Legacy bases, so make sure you have the right base for this fantastic addition to your kitchen arsenal. If you're looking for a way to streamline your food prep and save space in your kitchen, the Vitamix 12-cup food processor attachment is a game changer you won't want to miss. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from it. All products by link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.